Did you know your brain sometimes makes decisions before you're even aware of them? Crazy, right? Well, buckle up, because today we re-diving into 80 fascinating psychology facts about human behavior that will make you see yourself and the people around you in a whole new light. Human behavior is like a puzzle. We laugh, we cry, we fall in love, we argue, we dream. But have you ever stopped and wondered why we do all these things? Psychologists have spent decades studying the little quirks that make us who we are. And here's the fun part. The science isn't boring. It's actually super relatable. From why we crave pizza when we re-stressed to why a song can instantly bring back memories from 10 years ago, psychology explains it all. So let's get into these 80 facts, short, punchy, and mind-blowing. Each one is like a little window into the human mind. Emotions and feelings. Smiling, even when you're sad, can trick your brain into feeling happier. Crying isn't weakness. It actually helps release stress hormones. People who talk to themselves aren't crazy. It boosts focus and problem solving. Anger burns more calories than laughter, but laughter is way better for your health. Compliments light up the same reward centers in the brain as receiving money. Your brain can't actually tell the difference between real rejection and physical pain. That's why heartbreak hurts. Writing down your worries before a big event can calm your nerves. People who express gratitude daily tend to sleep better at night. Love and relationships. Looking into someone's eyes for just 4 minutes can create feelings of closeness. Couples who laugh together are more likely to have stronger relationships. The butterflies you feel around someone you like? That's adrenaline. Holding hands lowers stress by reducing cortisol levels. The average crush lasts about 4 months. If it goes longer, it might be love. Men are more likely to say, "I love you" first in relationships. People are more attracted to someone who makes them feel safe. Arguing isn't always bad. Healthy conflict can make relationships stronger. Memory and learning multitasking makes you less efficient. Your brain actually can't focus on 2 things at once. Writing notes by hand improves memory better than typing. You remember emotionally charged events more clearly than boring ones. The smell of something can trigger memories more strongly than sight or sound. Short naps improve memory and learning. We remember the first and last things we hear the best. It's called the serial position effect. Chewing gum while studying can help with recall. Listening to upbeat music before a test can improve focus. Habits and motivation. It takes about 21 days to start forming a habit, but 66 days to fully stick. Setting smaller goals boosts motivation more than chasing one big goal. Rewards trigger dopamine, the same chemical behind addictions. People are more motivated by progress they can see, like a checklist. Procrastination is often your brain protecting you from stress, not just laziness. Morning people tend to be more proactive, but night owls are often more creative. Willpower works like a muscle. It gets tired but can be trained. Visualizing success actually improves performance. Social behavior. People mimic each other's body language without realizing it. It builds trust. The average person lies 1 to 2 times a day, usually about small stuff. You are more likely to say yes to a request if the person compliments you first. People tend to clap longer in bigger groups. Silence during conversations makes most people uncomfortable after just 4 seconds. We judge someone's trustworthiness in less than a second of seeing their face. People remember negative comments more than positive ones. The way someone treats waiters or cashiers reveals a lot about their character. Food and cravings. Chocolate triggers the release of serotonin, a mood booster. When you're stressed, you crave salty or fatty foods like fries or pizza. Smelling coffee can make you feel more alert, even if you don't drink it. Spicy food lovers are often thrill seekers. Eating slowly helps your brain register fullness, so you don't overeat. Comfort food literally reduces feelings of loneliness. Sweet foods increase dopamine more quickly than savory foods. People who skip breakfast are more likely to feel moody during the day. Fun and quirky facts. People who doodle while listening remember more details. Yawning is contagious because of empathy. Talking about your goals out loud makes you more likely to achieve them. People who swear often are more honest. The average attention span is now shorter than a goldfish's, around 8 seconds. Random acts of kindness boost happiness for both the giver and the receiver. People walk faster in big cities than in small towns. The color blue makes people feel calm. Fast music makes you eat faster. People who laugh at dark humor jokes are usually more intelligent. Seeing nature scenes lowers stress levels instantly. People are more likely to remember emotionally shocking news than happy news. All right, now let's get into the juiciest ones, the facts that really flip your perspective. Your brain sometimes makes decisions up to 7 seconds before you're consciously aware of them. People are more likely to change their opinion if they feel heard, not if you throw facts at them. Love and addiction light up the brain in almost the exact same way. Social rejection activates the same brain regions as physical pain. Loneliness can be as harmful to your health as smoking 15 cigarettes a day. Dopamine spikes higher before you get a reward than when you actually get it. Your subconscious mind controls about 95% of your thoughts and actions. People in groups often follow the crowd, even if they secretly disagree. That's conformity. Humans are wired to look for faces. That's why we see shapes in clouds or power outlets. The brain processes negative words faster than positive ones. Wrapping up facts. People who read regularly show more empathy. Your brain releases dopamine when you check notifications. That's why it's addictive. We often remember how someone made us feel more than what they said. Writing down goals makes you 42% more likely to achieve them. People who spend money on experiences are happier than those who spend on things. Your brain keeps developing until your mid-20s. Laughter is literally contagious. People are more likely to yawn after watching someone yawn, even on video. The average human has about 60,000 thoughts a day, and most are repetitive. And here's the kicker. People who know more psychology facts are better at reading others, but they're also harder to fool. So there you have it, 80 fascinating psychology facts about human behavior. Pretty wild how much of what we do is shaped by things we don't even notice, right? Which of these facts surprised you the most? Was it the idea that loneliness can be as deadly as smoking? Or maybe that your brain decides before you even realize it? Drop your answer in the comments because I'd love to hear your take. And hey, if you learned something new today, don't forget to give this video a like, hit that subscribe button, and share it with a friend who loves fun psychology trivia. Thanks for hanging out with me. And remember, the more you understand human behavior, the better you understand yourself. See you in the next one.